So today we'll be seeing some very important objectives from The Wild Swans at Cooley, which is written by William Butler Yeats, popularly known as W.B. Yeats. So the birth and death year of W.B. Yeats is 1865-1939. So basically W.B. Yeats को one of the major poet माना जाता है 20th century का. He is considered as one of the major poet of the 20th century. Okay, so if you're from BBMKU, ये आपके paper 12 unit 2 का part है. Okay. Okay, so let's see the questions one by one. So the very first question we have is, the poem Wild Swans at Cooley was published in, which means Wild Swans at Cooley को कौन से ईयर में publish किया गया था? So it was 1917. Okay, it was published in 1917. Up next we have is the poem Wild Swans at Cooley was written in the year 1916. So basically 1916 में लिखा गया and it was published in 1917. So the third question we have is, where was Yeats from? Yeats कहाँ से belong करते हैं? He is from Ireland. Okay, he is a Irish poet and he is from Ireland. Okay, so the next one we have is, during which season does the poem take place? Which means कौन से season में इस poem को लिखा गया और कौन से season में ये poem आया? So it was autumn. Okay, the poem takes place in autumn. Okay, so here we have some more questions. So the question number 5 is, Cooley is the name of, which means Cooley किसका नाम है? I mean the Wild Swans at Cooley में Cooley क्या है? So it is a park. Okay, so this question is very common and important as well. So yeah. Up next we have is, Yeats got Nobel Prize in. So basically Yeats को किस year में Nobel Prize award किया गया? Like he was awarded as a Nobel Prize in which year? So it was 1923. Okay, he was awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1923. Up next is, who was Lady Gregory? So the Wild Swans at Cooley में Lady Gregory कौन है? So Lady Gregory is Yeats' patron and friend. So basically Lady Gregory कौन है? Yeats की patron है और वो उनकी friend भी है. It was influenced by which poet? So basically Yeats कौन से poet से बहुत ही ज़्यादा highly influenced थे? He was influenced by William Blake. Okay, so William Blake's के कुछ बहुत ही popular poems like The Fly, The Tiger is already there on my channel, so you can check it out. Up next we have is, which month is mentioned in the first stanza of the poem? Poem के first stanza में किस month को mention किया गया है? So the answer is October. Okay, the answer is October. What time of the day the poet saw the swans? किस time पे poet ने swans को देखा? So it was in the twilight. He saw the swans in the twilight. What happened when the poet saw the swans first? He felt sore. उनको बुरा लगा. Okay, जब उन्होंने first time swans को देखा, he felt sore. Yeats wrote this poem during which conflict? Yeats ने इस poem को कौन से conflict के दौरान लिखा? So it was the Irish War for Independence. Okay. Okay, so one thing which needs to be clear over here is, this particular poem was dedicated to Lady Gregory's son. So basically जो Lady Gregory जो कि patron है W.B. Yeats की, उनके जो son होते हैं, he died in World War First. Okay, so basically ये poem W.B. Yeats ने उनको dedicate किया है. So he died in World War First, but then poem लिखा गया कौन से war के time? The Irish War for Independence. Okay, so दो war की बात की गई है यहाँ पे, तो आप confuse मत होइएगा. I hope you all understand. So yeah, up next we have is, where was Yeats when he wrote the poem? So he was at Galway, Ireland. Okay, he was at Galway, Ireland when he wrote the poem The Wild Swans at Cooley. How old was Yeats when he wrote The Wild Swans at Cooley? He was 51 year old. He was 51 year old. The poet sees how much swans on his second visits at Cooley Park. जब W.B. Yeats second visit करते हैं Cooley Park में, तो उन्होंने कितने swans को देखा होता है? So 59 swans को देखा होता है, right? So the last one we have is, the poem consists of 30 lines. This particular poem consists 30 lines. So these are few very important objectives from the Wild Swans at Cooley. Basically अगर आप इनसे अगर आपने ये जान लिया है तो half of the poem आपकी वैसे ही clear हो जाएगी, because these are very important. And please excuse the voice, I'm actually suffering from cold and cough. So yeah, thank you so much.